There's a certain kind of elegance that doesn't ask for attention. It simply commands it. That's the energy we're bringing you today, because every look in this edit belongs to the woman who has arrived, the rich auntie, the one who walks into a room in Ankara and somehow makes it feel like couture. We're stepping into 2026 and 2027 with looks that honor tradition while pushing it somewhere richer, bolder, more refined. This isn't just African print fashion. This is a statement. It starts with the fabric. Deep jewel tones, gold accents woven through the pattern, the kind of Ankara that photographs like silk, even though everyone in the room knows exactly what it is. Every piece this season is chosen with intention. Nothing accidental, nothing rushed. A rich auntie doesn't do basic. She does architecture. Dramatic silhouettes, bold shoulder lines, movement that flows like water when she walks. Details tied and finished with a precision that says she planned this outfit days in advance. This is the kind of look you wear to a wedding, knowing full well you might outshine the bride. And honestly, nobody's mad about it. For the woman who prefers a little more coverage without losing an ounce of drama, structure is everything. A fitted, polished top half paired with a flowing bottom half creates that boardroom by day, celebration by night effect. It's the kind of look that photographs beautifully from every angle, which, let's be honest, matters. We can't talk luxury Ankara without mentioning tailoring. Sharp lines, intentional fit, pieces that move with her instead of against her. It's modern, it's unexpected, and on the right rich auntie, it reads as effortlessly expensive. Layering is where this season really separates itself. Extra fabric, sweeping movement, the kind of thing that catches the wind just right for that entrance photo. Dramatic finishing touches aren't reserved for red carpets anymore. They've made their way into everyday luxury African fashion, and honestly, they deserve to be there. Accessories complete the story. Gold, always gold. Statement earrings, a stacked bracelet, a clutch that matches the deepest tone in the fabric. The gele remains non-negotiable, but even that's evolving. Asymmetrical folds, unexpected height, sometimes finished with a brooch that pulls the whole look together. Now, a look like this isn't just about the outfit. It's about every detail working together. The fabric, the shoes, the handbag, the clutch, even the smallest accessory pulls its weight. If you've been wondering where to source pieces like these, I've made it easy for you. You'll find Ankara fabrics, accessories, shoes, handbags, and clutch purses linked right in my channel description, so you can build this exact look from the ground up. What ties every single one of these looks together isn't just the fabric or the tailoring, it's the confidence behind it. The rich auntie aesthetic has never been about excess for its own sake. It's about knowing your worth and dressing like it. Every fold, every detail, every carefully chosen accessory is intentional. If any of these looks spoke to you, save this video, because your tailor is going to need the reference. And if you want to go even deeper into building a wardrobe with this level of elegance and intention, the Rich Aunty Luxury Fashion Guide breaks it all down, from fabric selection to styling principles that work for every body and every occasion. The link is right there for you. Which look was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you're new here, welcome. This is exactly the kind of content we do every week. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Welcome to the world of beauty and grace, where style shines bright on every face. Confidence rising, crowns unfurled, step inside. Shoeless fashion world. Welcome to the world of beauty and grace, where style shines bright on every face. Confidence rising, crowns unfurled, step inside Shula's fashion world. Shula's fashion world. From Ankara queens to lace so fine, every outfit tells a story divine. Runway vibes with African glow, elegance in every stitch we show. Colors dancing, fabrics flow, luxury in every pose. Class and culture hand in hand, beauty redefined across the land. Slay with power, shine so bold, every design worth more than gold. When you dress, you rule the day. Shula shows the stylish way. Oh, Shula's fashion world, where